Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Iron Golem Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now, I like to turn my paper this way and open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making an iron golem. So I'm going to use the fold as a guideline. So let's draw a line that goes right across the top of the fold. Or I should say right on the fold. You don't want to see it when you open it up. So we're going to make that line. Then we're going to make this line come down. We're going to go over and then bring it back up, like a long skinny rectangle. Now for the eyes, let's make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll do the same thing. I'm going to go down, over, and then up. Then let's draw a little line that comes down on each side to make it look kind of 3D. For the nose, let's bring this line down. We're going to come over, up, and then connect, like a big rectangle. Now I'm going to bring this line down, this line up, and then we'll connect it. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then over to the nose. We're going to jump over, and then we're going to bring this line up. Let's make a little line that kind of comes down and then connects. Then we're going to jump up here real quick. We're going to make the top of our Iron Golem's head. So we're going to bring this line up. We're going to come straight across and then bring it down, trying your best to line up with this line right here. I'm going to bring this down at an angle, and then I'm going to come straight down. I'll continue this down here, and then we just want to connect this at an angle. Kind of make that 3D head of our Iron Golem. Now for the neck, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We'll come across here and then up. Then we're going to bring this line up at an angle and connect. Next, we're going to go over and down. Then we're going to go over to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and down. We'll make another one that goes over and down. Next, we're going to go up, come to a point, down, and then bring it down. And we'll just bring this line down. Now our next step is we want to open this up so we can make the surprise inside of here. Once we open this up, we have the bottom of our Iron Golem and then we have the top. So we want to add some other characters in here. So let's start off by finishing off our Iron Golem. Let's bring this line up, over, and then down to line up with that one. Next, we're going to go down at an angle and connect. Now, right in here, I want to make a skeleton. So let's make the eyes first. So let's make a line that's going to go down and then back like a check mark. And then we'll make another one that's going to go down and back. We're going to come down, over, and up. Down, over, and up for the eyes. Line down and a line down for some detail. Let's kind of curve a line up here, and we'll curve a line up here for like their eyebrows. Next, let's color in 2 small ovals to make the nose. And we can make a little line right around the nose. Now, under here, I want to make kind of like a bumpy line for the mouth. And then inside these bumps, I want to make some teeth. So we're just going to make some teeth inside of these bumps. We'll curve out on each side. Then we're going to go down and then in. We'll just go straight down here. We're going to go down, out, and in here. And we're going to go down, out, and then in here. I'm going to go up, over, and bring this line down to shape out the head. Then let's bring this line down, and then we'll come to here. Now I want to make some fingers on here. So let's make a line that goes out, down, and in, out, down, and in. Same thing here, out, down, and in. And then we'll do one more out and down. Then we'll just make a couple little lines on here to make it look like they've got some bones on there. I like to make some little lines coming across here. And then a couple little lines right around here for some detail. Even a few underneath the eyes and above the eyes too. We can even put some of those little lines onto our Iron Golem, just some little broken lines, just to give him a little bit more of that realistic look. Just kind of like some little lines kind of around here, so it kind of looks a little bit more like he's made of rock. Now, up here, I want to finish this off by making a ghast. So, I'm going to make sure I stay underneath this fold part right here. So I'm going to begin by making a check mark shape. I'm going to go down and up. And then same thing here. I'm going to go down and then up. I'm going to go down, over, and up here. Down, over, and then up here. And we'll make a little line right above the eyes. I'm going to extend these lines out a little bit. Then I'm going to go over and then down. And then I'll bring this line down and a second one. I want to make these a little wiggly, then I'm going to come out and then down here. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then angle it in. Let's make a line here and a line here. And then let's make some long lines underneath the eyes here. We'll make some of these little kind of broken line details right around here. Then let's make some of those tentacles. I'm going to make a line that comes out to a point and up. Make one over here out, or come down to a point and back in, down to a point and then back in. And then let's just make a line right down the middle of them. Then the final thing is I'm going to make a little fire blast out here. So I'm going to make just kind of like a pointed, rounded shape out here that gets a little bit skinnier there. And there you go. There is your Minecraft surprise fold. So when we have this all folded up, we've got our Iron Golem. And when we open it, we can see that we have more characters hiding inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.